this is our current situation right now. That's our entryway. The sofa has to go right in there. So we get to the middle of the hallway and we go right in. All right, this is the sofa. So it has to be taken apart. Gotta take the back off in order to get it into the apartment. What?
He's pointing.
So we got it in. There it goes. Put the door back on. Man, I finished. I forgot to take a picture of the sofa, man. I've done so many. You guys seen them all online. But just so you guys get an idea on how much tools I need to use in order to do a sofa take apart. This is what it is. These are all my tools. Drill, staple gun, hammer, wire cutter, cordless air compressor, light. The light is very important. A screw box of screws, okay? And the big husky box.